It won't scroll down. Hey guys, welcome back to the Powerwolf Part 2. So let's get into it. I'm really excited, actually. I'm really excited. I'm in my camper this time where it's going to be a lot quieter. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Jump in. Maybe I should just go to bed. Hey, Luna, are you up? I just wanted to ask you about my outfit choices today. So I need your opinion because I know that you have really good opinions and stuff. So I wanted to change up my fur. Could you change it to look like this? So could you change it to be exactly like the picture? So I tried to change the name to be Alice, but I couldn't get it to work, so it's that now. Oh, sure. Alright. Let's see if I can just brush your hair down like this. And what is my dog doing? Okay. You can get it just like that, and now spray paint it, and not spray paint it, just dye it, and done. Wow, my fur looks so good, thanks. Now, time for my outfit designs. Outfit choices. Let's see. What about this one? There we go. Okay, I kind of look like Jasmine from Aladdin, but, what do you think? Girl, because I love you, that ain't the outfit. No, that's more like Halloween. No, 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 no. Try that one. Okay. Okay, got it. So, what do you think? I kind of like this one way more than the other one. Whee! Ooh, what about this one? Oh, heck no, never mind. I hate that. I hate that hat. I don't know why I have those. But I like this outfit. I think this outfit would do. Alright, that outfit it is. So, I was wondering, maybe we could probably find someone in danger that we could save, you know? Oh, yeah, and we could just, like, like do something like this on them. Kind of like, pounce on them or something, you know? Yeah. Maybe do something like this. And then transform. Or something like what I just did. Or like this. Or like that. Or like, basic, like anything really. Anything would do on the transformation or something. Yeah. So yeah. So let's go do it. Not good. Yeah, let's go. We're hearing a train outside right now. Uh, 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 uh. This is fun. This is so fun. You're like so weak. I can just take you out so easily. It's just so weak. Are you even trying at this point? I mean, I think you're just a little quitter, I guess. Huh? I am no quitter. Don't mind that she changed. Hey, leave her alone! What do you think you're doing? What? What do you think you are? Just like so I can tell that we'll be best friends if you just come on and join me. We won't join you. In fact, we're actually going to hurt you. Something like this. Like that. So, leave that little lynx, well, that big lynx, alone. Yeah, leave her alone. Guys, here. Whoa! What the heck? Here. It will get you. I'm too weak. You guys are taking away all my powers. As long as I'm no quitter. It's not a quitter. But you are. So, I'll tell you to get out of here. Go! Get out! Go! Get out of here! Ugh. Hey, are you okay? Hey, get out here. Get away from my daughter. Dad, no, they helped me. They helped me from getting attacked by a girl. Please, don't hurt them. They saved me from a horse. Don't hurt them. Dad, I'm asking you to get out of here. Go, Dad. Go. Hey. Don't be so strict with your father. You go. I did not mean to click that. Don't be so strict. How about strict? How about you go to the den now? Yes, Mother. Sorry. You guys must run too. I'm not scared of you. Let's go. You saved your daughter. Look at the horse over there. She was hurting her. You leave her alone. Come on, let's go. Auto animals, roll out. Come on, let's go. Here, let's just go instead. I still don't understand why they didn't want us to help. Like, if I were them, I would be helping. I would just bow down to the prince and the princess and stuff. No, I would actually be helping them. Not at all. Yeah, we have no time to just sit down and sip the tea with them. I feel like, wait. Yeah, all the time I can't just have to sit down and sip the tea when someone's doing stuff and people are doing things. I can just help to just sit down and watch them and go sip tea. Yep. Right. I'm just gonna go get in my pajamas now. I'll see ya. Right, I'm done. What do you think? Easy as blueberry pie, I guess. Alright. Now we're all dressed. Let's go to bed. Okay. That was a real yawn too. You guys aren't going anywhere. Excuse me. You mean you don't know what you're doing. These girls are actually helping the world. You just didn't notice, but I did. Her friend and our daughter are saving the world. We just didn't know it. They actually want to help. She just wanted to be an alpha. She wants to help. You can't make her be an alpha. You know what? In fact, you can't make her be anything. You can make her do anything. But you know what? You know who was bold enough? Her. She's actually brave enough. Not that bold, but like she's brave to help, and she helps people. You're just not the brightest wolf on the land. You're just not the brightest, but sorry, but it's over for us. I'm taking our kid and her friends. We're going. We're leaving. Goodbye. I can't believe I've been with you for all these years. Even though I should have never been. You just care about yourself. You never cared about our family or us. You never cared. You just cared about yourself. So you can live here alone in the den by yourself. Because we're leaving you. Goodbye. You had a lot to say, my queen, but you're not going anywhere either. I'm gonna make sure you stay here with me by using my powers. You can't use anything. You're nothing. What the? You'll be nothing! Wait, what are you? It's gonna take a lot more to get rid of me.